Monodies of Whims, Haider Alvi. A rocky chair has forgotten to rock. An ashtray screams to be emptied, full of tea, and anticipated for dry lips. A cup now producing less smoke. Tick-tock, tick-tock of clock becomes audible now. Flash, an accentuated flash knocks at pain. Humid and colliginous pain absorbs the vague glance of pain. Now it's drizzling outside too, with whooshing zephyr that scarcely hears but the noise of silence inside the defunct soul is abated. It confers the succinct hiatus, the hiatus of relief from spewing the intuitive whims on virgin pages, but the summons of hemons of those untouched pages remain there, eager to be fucked. He feels sorry while writing, nothing gain of it. Sagacity suffocates the society now, he worries. More than 1,000 of sepulchres already in shelves, whose fear of not to be visited by a successor are placed. Don't call them books, they are sepulchres. They lament on each other's, whose wish to be opened inurned with them now. Should any pen survives more? No way. Is this a relief? No way. Relief itself is a postman of coming stress. Span of life spins strangely and often stops at pain, so screw this relief up if it bells. Saints exist less, the less they forgot to visit these sepulchres. Monodies are remain. A stone hearts